Did you know that you can download and play a game from Steam just in seconds? Let's go click Steam. And this is the main page. Come here, search some games. Click on it. Okay, this is the game page. You can go purchase something here. For example, this is a free package. You can just click on Play Game and start downloading. As you see, I have no enough memory, so I cannot download it right now. But for example, if you purchased a game or select a free game, you will see in the library section here. This is my library. There are lots of games. For example, I choose Payday 2. I purchased the game, but it's not installed on my computer right now. I can click on Install and complete the installation. I will show you a game I downloaded before. For example, the Long Drive game is already installed. You just need to click on Play button here. Click on it and enjoy your game. Subscribe my channel for more tips. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.